Hey y'all, it's been a minute. Um yeah, it's been a minute. I'm trying to do this the safety mechanism on my treadmill kicked in. No big deal. And in fact, not great from a safety point of view. I really need to disable it. Right now, it's like semi-disabled. I use a hairpin to sort of get around it. Um there we go. Um yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, okay, right. Um, it's a day. Obviously, I shouldn't say obviously. For a lot of trans folks, it's a hard day, including me. But we're gonna try and do a very short little stream, and just stupid computer shit, as a way to distract myself. I'm gonna make dinner probably at about 7, which is in a little bit over 15 minutes. So this is going to be a short stream, and we're just going to sort of see how it goes. The plan today is to look at the failing tests from Spark and Project Glutten with Spark 3.5. So GitHub, Project Glutten. Fantastic. Okay. This is the project, indeed. Let's go up. Up. Pull requests. Hold on. Oh, I'm not signed in. Okay. That's me. Great. Pull requests. Author, me. Okay. So where are we at? Gluten CI, something went wrong. Oh, and also there's changes in upstream that we need to merge in. Okay, I don't have access to Jenkins, so that's a challenge. Let's see. Any chance I can get read access to Jenkins? It's not a super unreasonable request, but yeah, I totally get why I don't. I'm new to Project Gluten. I've been working on Spark for a decade, but this particular one, not so long. Fetch upstream. Git rebase upstream main. Okay. Whole stage transformer.scala. Okay, let's go take a look at that. Stage transformer.scala. Oh, cool. It looks like they maybe got rid of this method. That would simplify my life a little bit, I guess. Okay. Yeah, okay, and so this is going to be yeah, let's see if it still works. Assuming it still compiles, we'll just do a force push, and then we'll run the tests locally in 3.4. Well, let's go look at the README for the project, because I bet there's instructions for building it that I'm not, like, following. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, I'm remembering now. Um, ooh, no, not a party. What failed? Get plan JSON. Okay. Origin main. Get plan JSON. Oh. Okay. Okay. Rebase head percent. No, okay, I guess it's 54E. Okay. Edit. And then we'll say transformer. Okay. Ah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So one of the questions also that we'll be answering sort of with this PR and with this stream is like how receptive they are to external people uh, coming in. Because like the Spark project definitely, how would we say this, has some room for growth in that area. But there are projects that are worse, and I have like this minimum bar, and like so far, like people have been super friendly, so it's great and all. But you know, it's always just something to like keep an eye out when you're interacting with a new project. It's like, do I want to work with these people? Especially, do I want to work with these people for free? Um, all super important things um, to keep in mind, or like you know, for my day job a little bit, I suppose. Okay. Taking a hot minute. Yeah. All right. Yeah. The other thing I was going to do is I'm pretty sure there's like, yeah, let's go take a look at this. Okay. Uh, build depths velox B. So let's go ahead and run that. Cool. Fantastic. So that worked. Let's go back to Spark 3.4 and enable our tests. Actually, I guess we need to wait for... No, okay. Ah, my friend. I don't love how this thing uses sudo so much. But hey, whatever. Fixing the build thing is probably like that's important, but I ain't got time for that. But at least like not right now, maybe later. You know, we'll see. Okay. Meantime, we can definitely do a force push. Git push force with release. Fantastic. Okay. other thing that I am also keeping my eye on is if there are any RTX 4090s available at retail. Um, which, uh, so far, not so much. Not so much. But, that's okay. Um, hmm. Dude. File. Exciting life. But okay. Okay, FB Thrift. This is what failed last time. Interestingly, okay, it does specify a version. Cool. Cool. Interesting. Hmm. I don't know why it's needing Python-6, but okay. Thought I already, yeah, it's already installed. Or at least the PyPy 6 package is. Maybe this is different. It's okay. Um, cool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I was hoping to get at the test failures from CI, but strangely, like they don't. I can't see it. So that's a little weird, but eh, c'est la vie, c'est la vie. Um, yeah. Doot. Moderate progress. Well, okay, we got a bit of time, so let's go figure out. Um, what? Okay, no, I've got. Hmm. Okay, like this is a warning. I don't know if this is like the warning. Um, but like I have CMake installed. Sorry, I have LZ4. Like 90% sure. I don't. Hmm. Um, this one's probably closer to that. Um, yeah, okay. Etc. Bunch of things, bunch of things. Uh, okay. Well, let's find out. Let's hope it just works. Let's hope it just works. Or we could also, you know what? I mean, we updated the PR, and I did want to look at the test failure, but we're not gonna get that today, I don't think. So we could just take a pass on it, I suppose. Oh, we're really close. I do want to at least see. We'll give it Alexa, create a 3-minute timer. Alexa, create a 3-minute timer. Okay. I do want to see if maybe we get something interesting. I don't know if that makes sense, but like I do want to see if we can figure out why this didn't build last time. Because, you know, would be ideal. Be ideal. Oh. Very close. But we're also very close to when I wanted to start making dinner. So it's a race against time. We'll see who wins. Exciting race. Maybe not the most exciting race. But ooh, 601. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So we're linking it. We're linking our libraries. Maybe this is just gonna work. I don't know. It's possible. Maybe this build is actually fine. That would be pretty fantastic if this build ended up being in good shape. Ooh, that water's old. I mean, it's still just water, but change it out. So close. Alexa, stop. Okay. Well, bad news. I don't think we're going to get to the errors, but we did succeed at least. Sorry, my brain. We did succeed at rebasing the PR, so it's up to date, and that's important to do. And tomorrow, or I don't know about tomorrow, but hopefully we'll get to the point where we can see the test failures again really soon. So, okay, actually, this just said it's succeeded. It's got a 0 exit code, looking choice. So drop this. We'll do a clean. We're gonna do it with Spark 3.4, and I'm not gonna skip the tests. Cool. I mean that's fair. having someone looking over your shoulder, virtually or otherwise, is a different experience. I would say it generally doesn't bother me. Sometimes I do get flustered. Um, but normally, it's pretty chill. You just kind of get used to it. I think for me, part of this came out of like there was a period 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, when I worked in DevRel for 2 years. And so I got more used to talking through what I was doing and what I was thinking. And so this is just kind of like the same thing. And I think it's a useful skill to have. Um, I'm not always able to explain what I'm doing, but I find that by doing things like this, I am better at explaining the things that I'm doing. Um, but you can ask anyone who works with me. There's a lot of room to grow. Now this here, yeehaw, is not great. It would be better if it like showed me the failure in a useful way. But you know what? That's the magic of life. Let's go take a look at that code. So this is on heap file system test.java line 38 platform dependent allocate direct no cleaner. Yeah, this is not in code that we have changed at all. I am 90% sure that this is an unrelated failure, but okay, allocate direct no cleaner. What was the assertion error? Okay. Not, I'm like 90% sure this is not an out of memory. Well, you know what? Actually, it could be. Maybe it is. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's go take a look here. Maybe this will give us something useful. And that's a no. This is not useful at all. Love it. Okay. Memory. Platform dependent.java. Natty get. Let's go take a look. What do you do in or around allocate no direct cleaner? Allocate direct cleaner. What assertions do you have? Assert use direct. My friend. Ah. So this is like some bullshit. Yeah. It's not coming from us. I would say but is this called elsewhere? Exclusively inside of the tests and exclusively for velots. I am on a treadmill. Yeah. Yeah. So this is no, not really. If well, okay, allocate direct no cleaner. What can we use instead of allocate direct no cleaner? Allocate. So who calls you? Instead. Calls. Like, where is this used? I don't want to. Allocate. Direct buffer address. Okay. Direct buffer address. Allocate direct. No. Use direct buffer. You are set to if max memory equals 0 or has unsafe or not has unsafe or yeah, I mean, they're not bad. I'm just, this is frustrating. So, false. Oh. Okay. ADK11. Uh, um, what? D netting I. Crap. Um, hmm. Uh, JDK11 enable unsafe netty. Okay. Here we go. That's the ticket. Morning, Han. Han so high. Okay. Uh, um, okay. Go to line 1. Surefire. Okay. Memory. Max mem. Here we go. That's the Maven compiler. Spark. Pom.xml. XMX. And you are configuring what, my friend? You are configuring Scalaver Arts. What plugin are you, my friend? That is a Scala Maven plugin. The Scala test plugin is the one we need to compile. How long will Spark take to migrate to Scala 3? It could take a while. It could take a while. I don't know for sure, though. Okay. Okay. Pom.xml, Glutten, and then I think, yeah. Okay, Surefire is here inside of Spark. Surefire. Okay. Scala test. Scala test. Oh, these are both gluten, not what I wanted. I wanted the pom.xml Spark. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. My friend, this is probably what we are missing. And you are at the same indentation. You are inside of configuration. Yeah, it is inside of configuration, right? Oh no, this is Surefire still. Scala test. Yes, okay. Expert Java test args. Extra Java test args. And okay. So this is a JDK 11 improvement. Okay, cool. So that is all. we're gonna wrap up for the day, and I'm gonna go make dinner. Thank you, maybe Redacted, Hansoy, for chatting, and everyone else for joining in. Really appreciate it. If you're so inclined, I'm gonna go jump on over and listen to King of Pants. Normally, although actually we know it looks like they're playing a video game, which is not super my thing. So actually I'll probably just go make dinner. So yeah, thanks everyone for joining. I'll see y'all around. I'm gonna try and do another stream tomorrow. I'll try and do it earlier, probably around 5 p.m. Pacific, but you know, best laid plans of mice, men, and non-binary folk. Oh, and women. Yes, all those fine people. Okay. Yeah. Have a good one, y'all.